All right, hello friends. I'm going to walk you through on how to draw our worn and cool fish. You're going to need your black paper and black rail cloth. If you have long sleeves, push them up. Make sure they are not touching your lips because the oil pastels will ruin your shirt, or at least them. Anyway, let's get started. So, like we have here in the example, I have three fish. You may choose three or more fish for your project. On my fish, one fish is going one way, the other way. This way. And you can choose on how to organize your fish. Let's get started. So I'm going to start at the top of my paper and I'm going to start with a round shape, but I'm not going to finish it. It's almost like a C. And then I'm going to come out for the tail. So the tail can come up and down, and you can wiggle your tail or come straight down. That is up to you. Add an eye, some gills. Make a smile. You can add a smile. Now, for my next fish, I think I might have it go the other way. Maybe darken my lines. I'm going to have him come this way, and he's going to look a little bit different. So my middle fish is going to come up, straight up. This tail is going to loop in just a bit. And we'll come straight back out. This fish with his mouth open. I'm going to pull this down, back in, and over. Here, you can add teeth if you want. Making it nice over me. And then we have our bottom fish. Our bottom fish can look the same as the other ones or completely different. So, like the example, I think I want to have this guy go on this way. There's room. I'm going to loop it around. Okay, it's going to have a smaller body. Let's talk about blending cool colors. So I have my cool colors separated over here, and we are going to use the cool color for the background. I've already started some areas, but I will show you how to blend. A nice thick application of glue as opposed to a light application. And I get this thick by keep going over, back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to go ahead in with my purple. I'm going to go over top of my blue just a bit. Blend that in. And copy with colors up, like in the blue and purple on top of each other. But I'm going to explore. I know what happens when I go blue on top of purple. Each color combination should be different. So I really shouldn't have green touching the side since green is on the side. I like blue on top of purple too. Eye it over here. Here we're going to fill in all the shapes completely. You no longer see the black of the paper coming through. And we're going to have a blended background of cool colors. I want to like to add green over here. A little spot. Make that beautiful teal color that we all love. Maybe add the orchid. All right. Blending cool colors. Have fun with your background and see what colors you can come up with. Let's get to coloring. I have my warm colors set out aside, and I know my fish are all going to be the warm colors. I'm going to show you quickly how to blend your colors. So let's get started. That was my red. I'm going to color over. That's okay if you get some black in there. I'm going to color over area. Nice and fully. I'll go ahead in with my yellow. See, I'm not a fan how that's showing up, so look what I can do next. I go over my yellow with my orange and blend that in. Like how that looks. I might actually even go over my red and see what color that makes. Okay, I actually very much like these colors. So I'm going to continue to do that in a pattern and blend my colors. You may blend any of your warm colors you have. Yes, you may use pink. It could be a warm color. And fill in the spaces. So one thing I do not want to see your oil pastel looking like this. I want to see your spaces filled in nice and fully. The thick application of color. Should not be able to see that black paper coming through. I keep one, so I'm happy with the color. All right, so when I get this all filled in how I like it, I can then go in and re-add the details that I would go over. Right, happy coloring.